The universe is vast, mysterious, and terrifying. We like to think we know its monsters, black holes, those invisible giants that swallow light, space, and time itself. But there is something far stranger, something you've probably never heard of, and it might be the scariest thing science has ever imagined. They are called white holes, the cosmic opposite of black holes. Before we dive deeper into this terrifying mystery, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps this channel grow, and it means you won't miss any of the dark secrets of our universe. Now, let's continue. A black hole is a trap. Once you cross its event horizon, nothing escapes. Not light, not matter, not even information. It's the ultimate one-way prison. But what if there existed the reverse? A region of space where nothing could enter, yet matter and energy are constantly spewed outward. That is the nightmare of a white hole. The idea comes from Einstein's theory of relativity. When scientists solved the equations for black holes, they noticed something eerie. The math also allowed for a mirror image, a solution where time flowed in the opposite direction. Instead of pulling everything in, it pushed everything out. In other words, for every black hole devouring the universe, there could, in theory, be a white hole vomiting it back into existence. At first, this might sound harmless, like a cosmic fountain. But think deeper. A white hole would not behave like a star, or even like a supernova. It would be a portal erupting with radiation and matter, uncontrollable, unpredictable, unstoppable. You could not approach it because its very existence forbids entry. The closer you got, the more the laws of physics themselves would push you away. It is not just a hazard, it is a violation of everything we understand about how the universe works. And here is where the terror begins. Imagine, one day, astronomers notice something strange on their instruments. A burst of energy unlike any known explosion, brighter than a gamma-ray burst, stranger than a quasar. Suddenly, a patch of space in our galaxy lights up, as if reality itself is tearing open. A white hole has appeared. At first, it is beautiful. Streams of energy painting the void, a cosmic firework like nothing ever seen. But then, the consequences begin. The radiation sweeps across space at the speed of light. Planets are scorched, atmospheres stripped, ecosystems annihilated. Unlike a supernova, which fades, a white hole could, in theory, keep erupting endlessly, a fountain of destruction with no off switch. The Milky Way would be scarred forever, and if Earth happened to be in the line of fire, it would be over in moments. No chance to prepare, no time to react. Civilization would end in silence, our planet reduced to ash under a storm of radiation that no shield could stop. But even survival would be horrifying. A white hole warping space nearby would destabilize the orbits of stars, fling planets into the void, and disrupt the fragile balance of galaxies. Imagine watching the night sky tear apart, constellations twisting as space-time itself convulses. It wouldn't just be death. It would be the unraveling of the familiar universe into chaos. And yet, the deepest horror isn't even the destruction. It's the implication. If white holes exist, then they are the other side of black holes. Every black hole swallowing stars could be connected to a white hole spewing them into another region of the cosmos, or even into another universe entirely. That means black holes aren't ends at all. They are doors, and white holes are what waits on the other side. What if our universe itself was born from a white hole? Some scientists have speculated that the Big Bang was exactly that. The eruption of matter and energy from a cosmic white hole so enormous it birthed space and time as we know it. If that is true, then everything we see, the galaxies, the stars, us, could be nothing more than the output of an ancient, unfathomable eruption from beyond. But here's the problem. No one has ever observed a white hole. They remain a ghost in the equations, a terrifying possibility that refuses to show itself. Maybe they exist only in theory, or maybe they are out there, waiting, silent, until the day one erupts within sight of Earth. Black holes terrify us because they are hunters, silent, patient, inevitable. But white holes are worse because they are chaotic. They are not predators, they are disasters. They don't wait, they explode. They are the embodiment of cosmic indifference, not caring what worlds or lives they obliterate in the process. So, the next time you look at the night sky and feel comforted by its stillness, remember this. The scariest things in the universe are not always the ones we've seen. Sometimes the true horrors are the ones still hiding in the math. waiting to be discovered. And white holes, the fountains of chaos, the cosmic predators in reverse, might just be the most terrifying of them all.